In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update the opportunity sizes in iCortica for each of the messages that iCortica is generating so that you can get a better prioritization, a more accurate prioritization of your customers. When iCortica first creates an opportunity, it tries to estimate the opportunity size based on the behavior of that customer and sometimes comparing those customers to other customers in your business, and tries to come up with an opportunity size to give you an idea of how big or how small that opportunity could be. Of course, it's just using sales data, so it doesn't have the full context of the customer's business and maybe some conversations that you may have had with that customer. So we really want to give you a way that you can put other information into iCortica that might better reflect what the opportunity size is. So the way that you do that is by clicking on the customer, and then here you can see a lot of times what happens is your biggest customers tend to have the biggest opportunity sizes, mainly because they're buying a lot of product, so cross-selling and recovery opportunities tend to be some of the bigger opportunities. But sometimes those can get a little distorted. Say if a customer tends to buy a lot of one product, that may not be representative of what the opportunity is in a cross-sell, for example. So in this example, we have a large customer who, or VIP customer, who has an opportunity for a cross-sell, and we believe that this is overstated. So what we can do is hover over this opportunity size and click on this pencil icon. So if you click on that, it will let you enter a new opportunity size. So let's say we want to put in 3,000, and let's say we spoke with the customer and they told us, customer says this is how much they purchase from the competition. And we can hit save. And now this becomes bold, and there's a little person icon to indicate that a human provided that number rather than iCortica. And the note that we just wrote is in there. And let's say we have a conversation with the customer a few months later, and it looks like the opportunity may be, say, even bigger. So we increase the opportunity size and say customer's business is growing in this area. Okay, we can hit save, and there the most recent note is showing. We can also click on the pencil and see the history right here. Now, one thing to point out is now that we've changed this opportunity size, the total opportunities listed here is 5,000 plus the 5,296. So that really should be a total of qualified opportunities at $10,296, but we still have this number here. For now, what you'll need to do is just refresh the page here, and that number will update. Now you'll see that we took quite a bit of the opportunity size down, which actually moved this customer down to the second place in the opportunity size list here. So now, if for some reason you made a mistake, or you just wanted to go back to using the iCortica estimates, you can click here and click Remove Override. And what that'll do is it'll start going back to the iCortica estimates, which update over time as the data gets more and more informative about what's going on in the business. But you'll still have these historical references so that you can refer back to them in case you ever wanted to revisit. So that's it. I hope you find this useful for better prioritizing your activities. And as always, please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.